I'm here staying in a one-bedroom deluxe villa at Club Wyndham Atlanta in Atlanta, Georgia. Do you want to see what one of these one-bedroom units looks like? Well, stick around. I'm going to take you on a tour of ours right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. We're here in room 1017, 10th floor, Club Wyndham Atlanta. It's a one-bedroom deluxe unit. One thing I'm not going to be showing you inside the unit is in-room laundry because it simply does not have it, but I do want to point out they do have laundry on the floor here, just down the hallway, a couple of washers, a couple of dryers, so you can take advantage of those if you need to wash any laundry while you're here at the property. But now that I've pointed that out, let's head inside here and we'll start taking a look around. All right, so here we are inside the one-bedroom deluxe unit here at Club Wyndham in Atlanta. This is also a Margaritaville Vacation Club property, but we're in a Club Wyndham unit. First thing coming inside the door here, we see kind of the living room and dining area with the kitchen. Now, something to point out, I don't see an actual dining room table, just kind of this kitchen bar area. Looks like it has 4 stools, so no actual dining room table. But I do notice here on the bar, they do have kind of this little push button thing, and it does have some exposed electrical outlets. So that's kind of handy to have, and we'll get that closed back up. But in here, we do have the kitchen. Let's see what's in some of these cabinets. Looks like just some storage. You do have a broom and kind of a little Bissell sweeper. We have a refrigerator. We have a fridge with a freezer, and there is an ice maker. Get that turned on. On the other side over here, we do have microwave, ice bucket, looks like a salad bowl up there, blender, and a toaster down here. Then kind of here up above the counter where normally you'd have cabinets, well, we do have some glassware and some cups. Over here, looks like our dinnerware, so some bowls, some plates for 6 people. And then over on this side, we just have some coffee mugs and kind of some serving dishes. Yeah, down here we have a full oven with a range. Not sure if they have anything under here. Oh, there is actually a baking sheet and a pizza pan. Then in these drawers here, we do have some silverware or cutlery, again for 6. We have a whole bunch of cooking utensils. And then down here, some additional cooking utensils, a pizza wheel, a whisk, measuring spoons, cheese grater. And they do here have a dishwasher. And then underneath here, let's see if there's anything in here. We do have some kitchen supplies, and it's where you'll find trash. Then over here on the island side of things, we do have kind of some baking or serving dishes, some storage bowls down there made of glass. And then in here, it is where we'll find a full set of pots and pans as well as a colander. So out there is the kitchen. We do have a coffee maker with some coffee supplies, knife block, and also a cutting board with your dish towels. So now coming over here into the living room area. I actually have a pretty good sized living area. We do have a couple of chairs, a sofa over here, and I'm sure this pulls out into probably a queen size sleeper sofa, and it certainly does. We have a side table, kind of some interesting little artwork here on the wall. And down here we do have a television, a little bit of storage here as well. And we'll notice that our view out here is to Olympic Centennial Park. So it looks like we got a really good view out here to the park. We'll be going out there and walking around. We can see the Olympic rings down there, kind of as a fountain in the ground. So maybe I'll take you on a quick walk through that during the resort or property tour. If you want to see that, I'll put a link to it up here in the upper right. You'll also find a link in the description below, and it will be the linked video at the end of this one. So watch this one first, finish watching it, and then head over and check out that property tour. But yeah, this here is your kitchen, dining room, and living area. So now that we've seen that, let's head in here and take a look at the bedroom. So yeah, we have a king-size bed, a couple of nightstands, exposed USB and power. And then kind of at the foot of the bed, we do have a television up above a dresser, kind of a little bench over here with some additional artwork, and another view out here to Olympic Centennial Park. Yeah, really nice kind of bedroom area here. There is a full-length mirror down there, and there's also a ceiling fan here too. But now let's go in here, we'll take a look at the bathroom area. We do have kind of this separated vanity from the bathroom, which is actually in there. So here we do have a mirror, single vanity, kind of your pump body lotion and hand soap. And then across from that, looks like we have just a closet in here. So just some more storage, some additional bedding, and it's also where you'll find the in-room safe. So now let's go in and actually take a look at the bathroom. Another vanity here, single vanity, mirror, plenty of towels, and we do have a walk-in shower. It's a really nice shower here. Pump, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then of course, we do have towels and the toilet over here. So yeah, that is the 1-bedroom deluxe unit here at Club Wyndham in Atlanta, Georgia. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help with these videos. And to take a look at that full property tour that I told you about, you'll want to click on this video here so you can watch that coming up next. Thanks for watching, and remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.